How to disable Bing web search results in Windows 10 v1903 Start menu. Here's some tips that may help disable Bing web search results in Windows 10 Start menu. 1. Go to hkey_current_user /software/Microsoft/Windows/current version/search in registry editor, locate, if unavailable, create the below mentioned two D-word keys, then set 0 for Bing search enabled and Cortana consent. 2. Group policy configurations might be not working for now. 3. Try disabling two options. Cortana can give you suggestions, reminders, alerts, and more, and search online and include web results.